absolutely
Wait,
is.
no, that is completely unacceptable.
How can you say that? It's the only way.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yes, you are right.
Hey everyone, Alex here from How To, and we're going to do what grinds our gears in the customer and partner education space. So what have we seen out there that's really, in our opinion, not working or not up to par? So Lisa, do you want to kick us off?
Oh, there's so many. Where do I start?
You're going to have to pick somewhere.
So first one is academies with content that is
so dense and so boring
that you just lose people immediately. And we've seen this, and we've been brought in after this has been a rolled out implementation, which is just not working. So you've got huge cognitive load. It's also not flexible and little short, sharp pieces that you can access when and how you want it. So that really grinds my gears, or whatever that thing is called. That grinds my gears, that first one. I've got plenty more. What about you?
Yeah, mine is when it's just like a knowledge base of articles in Confluence or Zendesk or one of those knowledge base hubs, and it's just the driest, like text heavy content, like click here and then you do this and then you do that and so on, and it's really like not helpful, not easy to access, not easy to kind of get around, and there's no multimedia, no engagement whatsoever, and it's just this deep pool that's been developed by your product and development team of just articles endless. There's a role for them, don't get me wrong, like there's definitely a need for those articles to be in place, but when that's the solution and it starts and ends there, it's not good enough.
It's not. Okay, I got another one.
Yep.
Webinars that go on for days, and we have literally seen this. So often the solution is, we're just going to run webinars and we're just going to take you through every single step in a process and how to use the software, and it goes for hours and hours and hours. And often also there's no context as to why this is important, how it's valuable, and it's showing every single thing you can do in the software. And I tell you, I feel sorry for these people who have to actually consume this content because it's boring, and also you don't know where to go back to if you need that content again. So that's another one. You?
I'm actually going to reflect on my own implementation previously, where our opinion of what white glove support or white glove implementation was building out like a really extensive and really defined process that we're going to take people through in an onboarding, and it's like now you go here and now you go there, and the amount of phone calls and time that you spend with the customer and the amount of dependency that the customer has on you then to then deliver that value when they can't see the value. So that's not actually transferring the skill or the knowledge, it's actually just hand holding somebody from start to finish, and then that dependency and that piece of like, I've got to be, reaching out to you immediately whenever I need something starts to come into. Yeah, exactly. That grinds my gears.
Another one that grinds my gears is out of date content. So you're going through this lesson and it's like old screens, old features, and it's not being maintained to get kept up to date. That's a huge issue.
Yeah, that is an issue. The other one is, everybody's leaning into this AI and chatbot sort of revolution, and so many people are implementing these AI chatbots on the front end of their knowledge bases to get quick answers to things. And some of them are actually pretty impressive. So I've seen some that are pretty good, and you can get some just-in-time information on how do I do something, not the why, not the value, and all that kind of stuff that comes with a really well thought out customer education piece. But some of them just end up in loops. You're just like, I'm sorry, I can't answer that. I'm sorry, I can't answer that. There's nobody here to answer your question. We'll get back to you in 24 to 48 hours. It really isn't good enough in terms of that piece of not being able to send someone somewhere to really learn what they need to learn.
Yeah, and I agree. I think it has a place, and I think it marries beautifully with a well-structured customer and partner academy. It's just that on its own, it's not enough. You still need some structure. And then it's great if that structured content can be launched in situ as well and be reused across a number of different ways and feed into those chatbots as well. So I think it can be a combination, but on its own, it's just not enough.
Yep.
So now we've bagged everything out there.
I was going to say we've
Where's
really
got another
focused,
one?
yeah, we focused on customer education. So if we go into the partnership
yes.
side of things, oftentimes there's nothing. It's like there's some sales collateral, maybe there's a webinar that gets done and a quarterly catch-up of some sort in between. In the meantime, there's salespeople that are coming in and going in the partner organization. Some people have got no idea what the product is or what it does or what it means, what are the value propositions of it, how to sell it, any of that kind of stuff. So we see these really bare bones partnership programs put up and put into place with very little resources, little people, little time and effort placed into it. And really it's just got nothing to enable the partner with.
And it's impacting businesses because their growth is being stunted by those partners not being properly enabled to actually support that business growth. And also they're representing the brand as well. And also potentially you're losing that commitment from your partnership. So poor partner training and onboarding has a very significant impact on a business. And I agree with you. We see some really shoddy solutions one of the most shoddy is nothing. Really, nothing at all. And then you wonder why your partnership's not working.
But sometimes it's worse than nothing.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, and that's when it's really crap.
Okay,
like when
that is worse, I suppose.
So like we're seeing this revolution of AI-created learning.
Yes.
Right?
Now you're on another topic.
Yeah. That grinds my gears. When you get a crap PDF, you input that into a crap AI-generating tool for learning, and then they just spit out this mumbo jumbo and say, here's the training now that we're going to roll out to all of our partners and all of our customers in that way.
I do think that's worse. I agree. It's insulting. And I get very insulted with, AI created content without any, good management of that. It just really irks me. And that'll be a topic for another episode. So now we've bagged everything. Do we want to quickly talk about what makes it great? I don't know, how many minutes are we on?
I think we've got another episode.
We've got another episode.
Good.
Okay, all right. So that's summary of all the bad stuff out there. I hope you're not doing it. If you are, we've insulted all of you.
I don't know how that's going to go down.
I don't know.